Hello viewers, here is a 10-inch box fan, and of course the blade is probably only 7 or 6 inches, maybe 7 inches. It is from 2004, model number SCNB-101. Not sure who would have made this, there's absolutely no brand on it. I have another one that's kind of like this one. It's white. And let me grab it because I think it may actually be the same thing. No, it's a different model. Oh, actually it's very different. The top is kind of similar, but the top of the fan's nearly identical, and actually the back is quite similar as well. But they have different front guards. Maybe the same blade set, I don't know. They're pretty similar blades. Interesting. They both say don't use it in a window, even though this one is clearly designed to use in a window. Oh, brother. And it's plastic, so I don't really see what difference it would make. But anyways, put this back away here. And we'll look at that one another time. For now, we're going to take a look at this one. I don't know if it works, but there's one way to find out. The cord in this thing is ridiculously short. It hardly even reaches one of the plugs I want to plug it into. Start off on low. It does actually go from low to high, which is nice. It seems like it's going to work. Okay, well it spins, but it doesn't work in the sense that it's doing what it's supposed to do. Medium. Now it's moving a little bit better. High. Not much air movement. I think the bearings are locked up. Okay, or it's scraping against something. That's another possibility. That didn't sound too good at all as it spun down. Where's it scraping? Well, that's interesting. It sounds like there's something very wrong with that motor. Well, we'll have to open it up and take a look at what's wrong with the motor.